How to earn money with Airbnb affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll show you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate program and also becoming Airbnb affiliate partner. Joining the Airbnb affiliate program could be the perfect opportunity for you. As an affiliate, you can earn commissions by promoting Airbnb accommodation to your audience, whether you run a travel blog, manage a social media channel, or have websites related to hospitality. Becoming an Airbnb affiliate allows you to monetize your traffic and recommendation. So before getting started, let us know what Airbnb is. Airbnb is a globally recognized online marketplace and hospitality service platform that enables individuals to list, discover, and book accommodation around the world. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into airbnb.com as you can see here. This is the website. If you want to become as an affiliate partner, all you have to do is go to Airbnb Associate Program, as you can see here. This is the home page of the website. Here we have Airbnb Associate Guidelines. All associates should keep these guidelines in mind. So let's read together to more understand. First, we have here, be transparent about your relationships with Airbnb. Secondly, we have associates are not Airbnb employees and do not work under the direction of Airbnb employees. Never represent yourself as an agent or employee of Airbnb. Also, we have by posting content on Airbnb, you agree to abide by our content policy. Furthermore, we have don't remove Airbnb's branding from the program tools. Don't use any other Airbnb trademarks or copyrighted materials. Moreover, we have don't hide links, widgets, or pages. Only share program content directly to your followers on your personal sites or social media. And we have here don't run paid advertisement in print or digital format. Don't bid on Airbnb keywords or arbitrage Airbnb's global audience. Finally, we have the last one here. Don't book through your own links. You won't receive a payout for your own lessons. We have also tools available to Airbnb associates and some information here on details like referral links, widgets, landing pages, and also we have payments and payouts here, and a lot of information and details that can help you guys. So let's back to the top. Here we have an important note that you should know it. The Airbnb Associates program allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting traveling or hosting on Airbnb. So what that means is the Airbnb itself is gonna give you a commission if someone click on your link, send, book, stay, and whatever. So to earn commission, all you have to do is come back to the website and choose the one you want to promote. So let's choose someone here. Let's choose this one. As you can see here, we have 5 pictures to know more information, and we have here a lot of information about this one. So here we have also some solutions and examples that can help you guys. Here are examples for each strategy of earning money through the Airbnb affiliate program. First, we have promote Airbnb lessons. Create a blog post titled Top 10 Cozy Airbnb Cabins for Winter Getaways, where you feature and link to various cozy cabins available on Airbnb, highlighting their unique features like hot tubs, fireplaces, or proximity to ski resorts. Secondly, we have create travel guides and reviews. Write a detailed travel guide on exploring Barcelona on a budget and include sections recommending budget-friendly Airbnb accommodation in different neighborhoods with affiliate links to those listings. Also, we have target niche audience, create an Instagram account focusing on luxury travel, post high quality photos of luxurious Airbnb villas around the world using your affiliate links in the captions and bio to direct followers to book their dream stay. Moreover, we have here use SEO strategies. Write a blog post titled Family Friendly Airbnb Rentals near Disney World, optimized with keywords like family friendly Airbnb Disney World, featuring detailed descriptions and affiliate links to kid friendly properties near the theme park. We have here the main one and the important one. Utilize the social media. Create a Pinterest board titled Dream Vacation Rentals, where you paint visually appealing image of various Airbnb properties worldwide. Use affiliate links in the pinned descriptions to drive traffic and booking. Furthermore, we have here email marketing. Send out a newsletter to your subscribers with the subject line exclusive summer getaway deals save 200% on Airbnb stays. Include curated lists of Airbnb properties and popular summer destination with affiliate links for readers to book directly. And we have offer special deals. Partner with Airbnb to offer a limited time discount code exclusively for your audience. Promote this offer on your blog, social media, and email newsletter, encouraging users to use your affiliate link to redeem the discount. Also, we have create comparison content. Write a blog post titled Airbnb with hotels where to stay for your next city break. Compare the benefits of staying in an Airbnb, like more space, kitchen facilities, also versus a hotel, and include affiliate links to both Airbnb listings and hotel booking sites. Also, we have partner with travel bloggers or influencers. Collaborate with a travel influencer who specializes in adventure travel. Have them create Instagram stories showcasing their stay in a unique Airbnb treehouse with swipe up links to book the same property using your affiliate link. Finally, and the last one, we have stay updated on Airbnb's program. Keep an eye on Airbnb's affiliate program updates. For example, if Airbnb introduces a new program offering increased commission rates for booking in certain regions or during specific seasons, adjust your promotional strategies to capitalize on this opportunity. So these solutions, guys. So these examples illustrate how you can effectively utilize different strategies to earn money through the Airbnb affiliate program by promoting lessons, creating valuable content, and engaging with your target audience. So this is guys for this video. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.